There's a program that gives you 3 to 5% towards purchasing your home. And here's what people don't know. There's no income limit, but there's a catch that you need to understand before using it. Hi, I'm Shantae, and I help you understand the home buying process so you can move forward with confidence. Now let's talk about Chenoa. It's a down payment assistance program that works with FHA and some conventional loans. It can give you 3.5% down payment assistance for an FHA loan, and in some cases, up to 5%. So instead of coming out of your pocket with your down payment, this program can help cover it for you. Now, here's why this program stands out. There's no income caps. Most programs will say you make too much money and you don't qualify. But with Chenoa, even if you make higher income, you can still qualify. Also, you do not have to be a first-time home buyer. You can use it in many states, and it follows FHA guidelines, which makes it much easier. And here's what most people do not realize. Unlike a lot of the down payment assistance programs, especially the ones that are in your state, there's no layers of underwriting. Some programs require additional underwriting after you have gone through the initial underwriting with your lender, which makes it harder to get approved. Actually puts you at greater risk of being denied while you're under contract. And yes, you can use this program if you already own a home. You just have to have the home sold before you close. The qualifications are pretty simple. You need at least a 600 credit score, a reasonable debt income ratio. They like to see 45%. And 3 months of reserves. That means if your mortgage is $1,500 per month, you need to have at least $4,500 accessible. That doesn't have to be cash on hand. This can be in your bank account or in a retirement account. And here's another important requirement. You will need 24 months of rental history. And if you're currently living with family and friends, rent-free, you will need a letter from them verifying your living arrangement. Now let's talk about what everybody want to know. Do you have to pay this money back? And the answer is, it depends on which option you go with. Let me break it down. Option 1, you make 36 consecutive payments and the assistance is completely forgiven. That means you don't have to pay the money back. Then there's option 2, the repayable option. This option usually comes with a lower interest rate, but the assistance becomes a second loan. So if you sell or refinance your home early, you will have to pay the money back. Now, here's what you need to be aware of. The interest rate is usually higher. So while you save money up front, you can pay more money over time. So that's why it's very important to compare your options. But here's what most people don't know. If you make at or below 135% of your area's median income, you can qualify for a much better interest rate with this program. Or if you have a 640 credit score or higher, that's when you qualify for the best interest rates available. So if interest rates are important to you, I always recommend working on your credit before you go under contract. The other option I recommend is purchasing a new build. It takes 6 to 9 months to build. While you're building, you can work on your credit, because they're not going to do any financing paperwork until 30 days before closing. Even a small increase in your credit score can make a big difference in your monthly payment. Chenoa is a great option if you don't want to use your savings, you don't qualify for the other income restricted programs, or you just need help getting into your home sooner than later. Now, if this program caught your attention, I did a full breakdown on other programs that are similar, like NACA, USDA, your state program, and also Bank of America grants. So make sure you check those out to see which one actually fits your situation. And if you're ready to get started, I created a first-time home buyer's kit that walks you through step by step. You can grab your copy below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions at all, be sure to drop them in the comments below, because I read all of my comments and I'm here to help you through the process. I'll see you in the next video.